to specialization in animal cells. So this particular task is all about looking through how an organism develops cells and how they differentiate to form different types of cells over time. So at the beginning, an organism may have certain functions within its cells, but those functions then develop over time in terms of the growth of the particular animal. As an animal cell changes to form a specialized cell, it also acquires different subcellular structures to enable it to carry out different functions. Examples of specialized animal cells are what we call nerve cells, muscle cells, and also sperm cells. Animal cells may be specialized to function within a tissue maybe, or a particular organ, or organ systems, or even the whole organism or organism itself. So they have various different functions. Some cells carry out a certain function. Some cells have bigger functions, and other cells have specialized functions within the body of an animal as well. Plants also have a similar structure, but plants also keep the ability to change throughout their life as well. And we're looking at various examples here of different types of cells and what their functions are and how they change over this particular task and their lifetime in particular as well. Okay, so have a read of this in detail and try and understand the topic, and then you've got some questions to answer thereafter. Good luck.